Guys, this place looks so nice. There's got some nail parts, and I have these. These are so cute. This is part 2 of me doing my hair again. So like the first time I got it cut, but at a different salon, and now I'm here and I'm actually getting it dyed. So let me tell you the reason why I decided to dye it, because she told me, she's like, oh, you know, I'm going to the salon and I'm going to dye my hair. I'm like, oh, I want to dye my hair too. I'm always getting new products. I'm just like,
yeah,
I feel like it's working.
When you get new products, don't just try it once. Like, kind of stay consistent with it before you be like, oh.
You're turning back now.
Well, of course not.
It just means it gets yellower, like as you're sitting. Because it was like blondie like hers, and now I think it turned yellow.
Well, when the bleach washes out, when the bleach is on it, it looks whiter than what it is.
Oh.
So now I'm about to wash all of this bleach out. So how long do I leave this part in?
45. Bear through as long as you can.
It burns. This feels like perm. So these are the colors. My camera's about to die. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy. But yeah, see you guys later.